173 days until the next Bitcoin halving cycle. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. A lot of people are starting to feel the FOMO from altcoins, and in this video, we're going to be talking about why you should still stick to your strategies and why I don't personally trust this pump. But if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, we've seen a massive pump over the weekend. And again, I've told you guys time and time again, do not trust weekend pumps. And also, when you see the cycle of Bitcoin, then altcoins, and then meme coins, it happens real quick. It kind of like gives you an idea that a top may be in sight. But we're going to be talking about this in this video. Again, leave a comment. Let me know if you think it's altcoin season or if that pump was a fake out. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, Millie, should I go all in right now? Should I buy every altcoin that's available? And family, you need to keep your strategy on point and intact because we are still in Bitcoin season. Now, technically, this is the best time to actually build your altcoin portfolio, right? Because you don't wait till altcoin season comes to actually build your altcoins. Yeah, by that time, your altcoins already pumped. But family, FOMO, thinking this is a bull run. I've seen this before. I've seen this too many times. So let's get into the charts. Let's get into the facts, because the charts look very eerily similar, right, to 2000 and 2020, right in between there. All right, so let's first and foremost, let's put out the screen here. All right, and let's get into some charting here. So you can see here, right here, this is the total three altcoin market cap chart. This is the altcoin chart excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, family. Now, many would say this chart is setting up for a huge double bottom, which I agree 110% because you can see the arms right here, the bottom, peak, another bottom, and then we should be going up right around after the halving cycle. But technically, we always do this fake rally about 84 days in before the halving cycle. The same thing happened before the last halving cycle. You can see here, about 84 days in, we went on this rally, and then we dumped off to the bottom of the Gaussian channel before we officially started the bull run. And you can see here we're about 175 days in away from the halving cycle. So everything on that I'm showing you guys lines up with history. Okay, so what did we just look at? About 173 days into the halving cycle, right? If we take this back, you can see right here that I pretty much went back 175 days from the halving cycle, which put us right here inside the market. We seen a nice good rally, but the rally topped out at the resistance, which was the top of the Gaussian channel, dumped off, faked out. Everybody thought we were in the bull run right here going up from January to February. A lot of people thought that we were in the bull run, dumped off, scared everybody, dumped at the bottom of the Gaussian channel, and then we seen the huge rise in the real altcoin bull run started, right? But again, we go 175 days back. We topped out 84 days in, right? 84 days in. So about half of that 175. So if we go back here, hopefully everybody is keeping up with me. You can see here we're about 175 days into the next halving cycle, right? If we go 84 days in, technically that would mean we would top out at about January, February 2024 before we see that final flush down to the tip of the Gaussian channel, which will put us about right around the 299, $300 billion market cap. So flushed out right here to the tip of that Gaussian channel. And you can, in my opinion, we finally get that last flush somewhere around January, February 2024, a couple months before the halving cycle, before we see our next leg up, right, family? So that's what I think is going to happen. And again, this is my opinion. So I think we get that one last flash crash to the bottom, and then we shoot up, right? After this fake out, right? This fake out usually happens 84 days in. of the 175, right? So if we're 175 days away from the halving cycle, we usually get that fake out that tops out right around December, January, which would make sense because that would probably put Bitcoin around anywhere between 35K to 40K, and we see a nice good altcoin rally. So I want to make this clear: there is money to be made in altcoins if you play this correctly, but you have to take profits day 84, right? And then reload once we dump back down, or DCA back into your bags if you're hodling once we dump back down. Now anything could happen, but this is what I think could possibly happen, because we got the macro environment, we got two wars, we still gotta figure out this federal rate hike mess, right? Inflation is still going crazy, so you want to keep those things in mind. You take in how the average people around you are doing. Talk to people at jobs, see if they have any type of interest in crypto, see if they're investing right now, see, what I'm saying, if they're complaining about the inflation or the grocery prices. What I'm saying, kind of check the sentiment of the people around you that's not in crypto, so you can confirm a lot of this stuff that's happening. Okay, but again, I'm sticking to the charts. I feel like this rally will top out, and we'll get one more flush before the halving cycle, and that's when we see the huge move to the upside. So this is the weekly charts. This is going to take some weeks to play out. Again, it's looking very, 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 very similar to 2020, right? Where we seen that nice good rally 84 days in, and then we dropped off the map, right? And then we started rising again. So 175 days until the next halving cycle. We rally, peak at 84 days in, and then we get that final flush. And then off to Valhalla, right? Off to the moon, off to space. So I'm bullish long term. But again, I just don't think Q4 is going to be as bullish as people think. Hey, I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll come over here and say I'm wrong. But I'm just going off history. And history could change, because we could get some major catalysts like the Bitcoin ETFs or something crazy happening where it'll just cancel out all of this. We get some type of crazy Bitcoin ETF and all of that. It's going to cancel out all that. And I guess we just going to go to Jupiter. So you never know what crypto. It's your boy Crypto Billy. Y'all let me know in the comments. Man. FOMO or no FOMO. Is this a fake? I don't want to know everybody's comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.